Yeah, should we go down? I took 0 damage. 0 damage. Alright, Maddie, where do you think they are?
I think one of them.
I got her. Oh! I see him. I'm ready. Last kill with the pistol.